Good morning. I'm on day 3 of our conference and it's fabulous. I love it. I brought a funny handheld sound effects machine that I like to use or have always used over the years when I worked in offices, and because I like to make my coworkers laugh. So like when I would be on a sales call that ended great, I might have my own sound effect, like applause. Thank you, thank you. Or if something didn't go well. Anyways, I highly recommend you buy your own sound effect machine because it's just fun. But I'm going to take this to the conference today. You won't be able to hear it, but it's just a lot of fun. There's some other things. You can have your own laughter. So anyways, I hope everybody has a great day. The conference is amazing. And for all of us Texans. All right, well, I must go. I got to get ready.